My name's Forensic, Eric JT Forensic, and I'm here to teach you how to draft. Today we're going to be talking about an assembly drawing, the crane hook. This has 6 main parts to it: the side plate, the pulley pin, the nut lock pin, the hook, and the hook trunnion. So what you're looking at here is the front view of the assembled crane hook and the side view of the assembled crane hook. Now, that definitely looks intimidating, a lot going on, but I'm going to help you break it down part by part so it'll be easier to digest. Part 1 is the side plate, which more or less looks like a triangle with the side. Now, I'm not going to go through how to draw each one of these parts right now, but I just want to quickly describe them to you. This is the first video in a video series that's going to include 6, 7, possibly 8 videos. I want to keep them short in length so they're easy to digest. And this is just the overall about what a assembly drawing is. So with an assembly drawing, you're going to have a parts list. So you'll see different parts lists. Sometimes people call them bill of materials, but these are the main components of it. The first column is the items, or the number. You have each item numbered. So item 1, you could see these big ones pointing at these items. I put them in green so they jump off the page a little bit easier. So that's item number 1. And how many do we need? The quantity. We need 2 of them for this assembly. The name of it is the side plate, and then the last column is the parts numbers and the material it's made up of. So part 1 is the side plate, which is this triangle shape right here, or really these two rectangles along the side. So that's why we said we needed 2 of them for this assembly. Number 2 is the pulley, which basically is a wheel. But for the pulley, we would be drawing the front view, a section through it, and the right side view. Part 3 is the pulley pin. Basically, it's an axle for the wheel to spin on. Part 4 is the nut lock pin. This is interesting. What's the nut lock pin? So the nut lock pin, you could see right here, this dotted line coming through. What that does is, this is the main hook part. This is going to slide up through an opening in the hook trunnion. Now when it slides up, you're going to screw on the slotted nut, and then to secure it, you're going to put the nut lock pin through it, and then put 2 cotton pins through the ends. If you're not familiar with a cotton pin, you should look it up. But basically, it comes through and you just bend the ends up so it can't fall out. It's kind of a fail-safe system. So we have the nut lock pin. Part 5 is the actual hook, which is probably the most intimidating, toughest part of this project. It's a little bit scary, but I'm going to break it down for you easily in the next video. And number 6 would be the hook trunnion. So this whole drawing will be finally 5 separate sheets. You can bring it down to a smaller amount of sheets if you like by squeezing more parts onto it. But for the whole completed project, we're going to need each part drawn: the side plate, the pulley, the hook, the nut lock pin, the pulley pin, and the hook trunnion, plus the bill of materials or parts list if you like. And then finally, an assembled crane hook from the front and from the side. So I have it laid out here on 5 separate sheets, but if you could fit it onto less sheets, you're more than welcome. These are the larger scale sheets, and we're going to be drawing it at a scale of metric 1 to 100. Scale of metric 1 to 100. So this was a quick overview of the assembly. I might sprinkle in some more information as I go through the other ones, but I just wanted to give you an overview of the assembly drawing. So you go through this one first, and then the next video is going to be talking about drawing the hook part of it. Okay? Please hit subscribe if you have not already. Please comment if you have anything you want me to clarify, or if you like the video, please like the video also. And